We are in discussions with the Chinese. We have been for the last 2 months, and now that they have approval, those discussions are becoming more meaningful. So we are waiting on a contract, so we'll know the terms. Within the next week, I hope we'll get the contract, and we would like to proceed after that. That, of course, is subject to the closing of that contract would be subject to the approval of the cabinet. In terms of the other three, what I would call Western Hemisphere vaccines, the AstraZeneca, or four, the Moderna, the Pfizer, and the Johnson, we do not have any immediate prospects of purchasing those vaccines simply because there's a supply shortage. Out of 8.6 billion people in the world, up to now, just over 1 billion have been vaccinated. Out of 9.1 billion orders for 9.1 billion doses, less than 2 billion have been produced.